strong.
Hey guys, I'm back for another video, and for today's video, it's not going to be a Yu-Gi-Oh! Nor Pokemon or Magic. It's going to be my second Digimon video, and today my starter deck Heaven's Yellow is finally arrived, so I thought let's open this up and gauge what's inside. Obviously you get the info on the back, the Digimon cards, the Digi-Egg, the Tamer, and the option cards on the back. So pre-ordered this for ages, like I want to say in January. I pre-ordered a lot of stuff in January, like about a couple more days Battle Styles comes out, so I'll be doing a video on that. So here we have the main pack, and I did not know this. It comes with a pack. We have the deck, and we actually have the pack. Actually, this would be perfect. Wow, where else did I put them? There they are. I even have some Digimon sleeves I got a while back, so let's actually crack this open. So it's 12 cards per pack, and it's a release special, so I can't actually, well, there we go. Okay, so this is like the player one coming upside down. Oh, damn, I've lost words now. But here's the backs of the cards. I think it actually looks really nice, really sleek. So let's open it up. So I decided I'll start with the yellow until I can work my way up to like get used to the game. So then I can play like green, because I think green looks really nice. Okay, and we have our first holo. I don't know if the holo in each pack. If it is, that's actually really nice. But yeah, there we go. So I'll sleeve it up. These fit really nice. So I'll pop it there. So that's a nice surprise. Opening up well, it is a surprise opening up a pack. I was not expecting to open up a pack, but let's actually get into the deck. How do I get this plastic? Oh, there we go. So here we have here is the rest of the player 1 and player 2 gauges, and we have some information cards on how to play. Wow, they feel really slippery. So yeah, so I believe we get 4 of I think we get 4 of most cards. Yeah. And obviously when it comes to Digimon, we have I think the eggs are, well, yeah, I think these are the ones you roll from the egg. Well, these are the eggs. So here we have the I forgot what they're called now. Tamers. I'm always saying supporters. And we also have some option cards here, which So I've been really excited for this. I've been looking up the videos, and obviously I played a Digimon app tutorial a while back. So at some point, I shall. I know Savage. He's actually got the. He ordered the red deck. So once he gets his, and we can play card games again. I know my local uh, my local shop I volunteer at is opening up again soon. Well, in April, and at some point then we can get back to playing some good old card games, which I'm really excited for, because I've got this. This is like I've had this Buki deck, and it's just been sat down. I'm really sad because I really want to play it. So yeah, if this is probably the biggest surprise actually. So yeah, these gauges. Oh, so they do pop out. These seem to pop out. Wonder why. I'll have to look that up. So yeah, that's been my Digimon Yellow, Heaven's Yellow. So yeah, if you guys want to do, like, if you guys are also interested in the Digimon card game, please let me know, and I'll get to it. I'll try to get more videos, and maybe at some point, maybe I'll open up one of their booster boxes. So yeah, that's me done. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed the little pack. So yeah, hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.